Hey guys, I'm Latish in here and welcome to my new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix or repair Windows Registry errors. What is Windows Registry? Windows Registry is simply a database that holds the settings of your Windows system. If something happens to the files in Windows Registry, that's it, you are done. Okay. When we install a software, the information about the software is stored in Windows Registry, like the installation time and the installation settings. Okay, so if we install a trial version of any software, after the trial version we get a pop-up like the trial version is ended, because the installation time of that software is stored in Windows Registry. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we can fix the errors. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button and like this video just like you smashing your crush. Let's move on to the video. So guys, let's start the video. Press Windows key and R, then type regedit and OK. Here is the Windows Registry editor and viewer. Okay, we are not using the Windows Registry editor to fix the registry issues. I'm just showing the files. Okay, just leave it. You have to install the CC cleaner. I will put the download link in the description below. Okay, then there's a part registry and scan. Okay, now it will scan the registry issues. It take a few seconds. Okay, scan completed and fix issues. So you must create a backup for the previous registry settings. Yes, and type any name for the backup and save it. I'm not doing it now. If you have any issues with your Windows Registry, you have to scan like this and fix the issues. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my shit channel. Bye.